Good morning. Today we will start growth definition. Who gave this definition? This definition was given by Professor Samuelson. Professor Samuelson. Now if you want to jot down, please jot down the definition. Economics is the study of how man and society choose with or without the use of money to employ scarce productive resources which could have alternate uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumption now and in the future among various people and groups of society. Now this is the definition given by Professor Samuelson. Alright. Now in this definition few points were there. Like he said, allocation of resources. What is allocation of resources? Now what is allocation of resources? This means it is a proper utilization. Alright. So that more wants could be satisfied. If your utilization is not proper, you will not able to use it as a want to satisfy it. Now he said growth of resources. Now this is also the available resource. You know there is too scarce of availability. Now with those availability you will have to use it. Clear? So this was the definition given by Professor Samuelson. Now we will see the features. Features of growth definition. The first point is efficient allocation of resources. Now just now I told you that efficient allocation means the proper utilization of the commodity or the resource so that more wants could be satisfied. Alright, you have to satisfy your want, but you know you have to use your resources efficiently. Second features is a growth of resources. Now what is growth of resources? This means you know available resource is very scarce. With those scarce resources, you will have to satisfy yourself, and if you want more and more, you will have to grow the resources. You will have to focus how we can grow these resources. Now the third one is a solution of economic problem. Now it is a solution of economic problem. See, we people only identify the problem, but Samuelson said no need to identify only the solution. Give some suggestion how to overcome. Alright, we face problem in our society, or at home also we face problem that there is a scarce resource. We have means also very less. Now sit at home and decide how we can overcome this problem. This is known as solution of economic problem. The fourth one, dynamism. Now what is dynamism? Now dynamism means he focused on determining the pattern of employment over scarce resources to produce goods over time. It is a very good idea. This is known as dynamic idea. Why? Resources are very scarce. You will have to employ all those resources so that we can produce goods over time. This means more and more goods we can produce from those only. Why? Because we cannot sit idle. No, we don't have resources. Alright, we'll have to find out some alternative means. How we can increase our production. Clear? Now this was all about growth definition. Now one definition given in your book is a Keynes definition. Now Keynes definition He was an economist and he gave definition of economics. If you want, please jot it down. He said, economics is the study of, write it, economics is the study of administration of, see, administration of scarce means and the determination of employed income. This is very important. What he said, that his view was the society as a whole, not as an individual. Don't take individual person, because every door you go in your neighbor, every door you sit with, few people earning in lakhs and lakhs, few earning in 1,000, few earning in 100. Every day I'm telling you, people are there like that. But he said that our viewpoint should be the society. We should check not an individual, one person. We should check each and every people in a society, that how the scarce mean will be administered, how that scarce means can be distributed, so that everyone should satisfy their want. And second, he said the determination of his income. Obviously, income is a big factor, but then also you have to determine, because you know there is an inequality in our society of income. Few teachers, I am telling you, teachers of one school, second school, third school, fourth school. Now, I will not take the name of the school. 4 schools are there. And the teacher, economics teacher of the first school, second school, third school, fourth school. Now, first school they are teaching 9 and 10, second school also 9 and 10, third school also 9 and 10, and fourth school. This means all the economics teacher in all the 4 schools teaching 9 and 10 only. But ask their salary. Then you will understand, one teacher is getting only 20,000 rupees per month, one getting 30,000 rupees per month, one getting 40,000 rupees per month, one getting 50,000 rupees per month. See, when we determine the income, see how the income changes. From school to school it varies. Why? Why it is varying? Now, because inequality of income is there in our society. So he said that in a Keynes definition, he pointed out that we will have to take entire society as a whole, not an individual. This is all about your first chapter. Now, next day, in new video, we will start second chapter of your syllabus.